Hi guys, good morning. So, breakfast, brown bread, always. And always coffee. And I love the peanut butter. It's crunchy. Crunchy. Yeah. Gustong gusto ko yan siya. Crunchy. Ayaw ko yung smooth. Gusto ko yung may tumutunog sa bunga ko pag kumakain ako. That's what I love it. So guys, let's have a breakfast. Hope you guys kumain na kayo dyan or tanghalian na sa Pilipinas. Yung merienda sa ibang bansa, yung iba is tulog pa. So, have a good day. And don't forget to like guys and comment na rin and subscribe my channel. It's a big help and thank you so much. God bless.